What's up, what's up? Vlogger Barn out here. Just finished work. So we're ready. We're going to Spain. We're gonna go to Madrid, Barcelona. If you're watching this video, I've probably been back for about 2 weeks. Hopefully the trip was great. I know it's gonna be great. So let's get it. I'll introduce you guys to the main participants of this trip. Yo, JP, are you excited? Gene, any thoughts?
No,
Ready to get out of here? Are you ready to meet some nice, cute Spanish lady?
this is a purely religious trip.
Religious and cultural trip. Awesome, good to know.
Yep.
Gene Basak, everyone. What's up, guys? We just got here with Gene. Gene's having fun with me. He's gonna have fun with me all trip. We're in Madrid. So here my audio went out. I was still figuring out my new mic, but this is the third participant in the trip, Edu Schoiden. And that first day we didn't really do much. We just drank a beer, ate, and then went out at night. But since this is a personal finance channel, I will not show you guys my personal finance mistakes, so we can skip this part. What's up, guys? Day 2. I'm out here with the squad.
Mátate. Out here. Mátate. Very, feeling extremely well.
Edu woke up at 2 p.m. today. New record. I'm gonna give you guys a house tour. Here's JP, Edu, the living room of the Airbnb. Hope there's no explicit content in the house. Here's the washer that JP has been washing the same shirt for like 5 days. Guy doesn't know what he's doing. Nice little kitchen. And then where the magic happens, the rooms. We got the first bed. It's pretty small. I have this room to myself. And then we have the first bathroom. Just took a shower there. Pretty nice. And the second main room. Pretty nice room. And then the bathroom. Pretty nice apartment. Thanks to Jean-Paul for doing this for us. He's a great friend and a great travel teammate. Now we're gonna head out and eat some food and cheers. So guys, I'm here vlogging, double vlogging in Spanish and English. Here's the King's Airbnb right here. His nice little home. So you can see, pretty huge. A lot of tax dollars went into that. Pretty impressive, honestly. You know, doing cultural things. Edu's thoughts on the trip so far?
It's been pretty good. I already thrown up. Haven't even been here like 24 hours. So.
Yeah, he had a stomachache yesterday, so yeah. What about you, Jean-Paul? Any thoughts on the trip?
Food sucks. It's been great. I'm really liking Madrid.
Have you met your wife?
No.
Not yet.
I'm gonna give my 2 observations that I've had already.
2 observations.
Yeah, one of them, people here are very, very, very well dressed and elegant. And we're feeling insecure about how we're dressed, but it's alright. We're foreigners, so it's alright. And then number 2, the city is very, very clean and completely the opposite of what New York is. Now we get used to living in a place that's
around
like,
trash.
Yeah, it's like trash, a lot of people. Here it's the complete opposite.
So yeah,
And we have trash friends.
trash friends. Yeah, we're thinking of moving here, so stay tuned for that. After that, we did a little more sightseeing. We ate some nice food and we went out again, but we can skip all that because it's time to go to El Clásico. What's up, guys? Day 3. We're going to watch El Clásico. It's gonna be awesome. Edu, thoughts?
I watched the Clásico in Madrid. It's gonna be, I think, a great experience. And looking forward to it.
We're here outside the stadium. Got beer, sandwich in hand, taking a picture. I think we're gonna see the game in person. We'll see. Excited. What's up, guys? Present Barn here. I actually realized that I didn't have a clip explaining what happened between that moment and when we got in the stadium. And it was actually a mission to find tickets, but we finally met up with a guy called Cesar. He was very serious, he was legit, and his pricing was pretty good compared to Ticketmaster and StubHub. So we were able to get tickets and go to my first ever Clásico. If you're ever in Madrid and need tickets, he's the guy to hit up. I'm gonna leave his contact information down below. Thank you, Cesar, for making my dream come true. And now back to the vlog. Well, we made it. I'm crying. Awesome seats. We figured it out. amazing experiences. This is unbelievable. Extremely happy. This is why we work. This is why we grind. Increíble.
En unos segundos saltarán al terreno de juego los jugadores del Real Madrid.
It's half time. 2-0. Not ideal. Not ideal. You know? Happens.
Yeah, honestly, I can't believe we wanted to go see this trash ass team. They're getting absolutely dominated. They don't know how to play, I mean.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Barca lost.
Trash team.
Trash team.
Hey, shut up. Ya la chavineta se le ha explotado una broma, pero está bien.
Wasted a lot of money.
Kid stop.
Watch a garbage B-League team.
Hey,
Culture. You know?
We're an Europa League team.
Yeah.
Show some respect.
Day 3, about to go to Toledo. I don't even know what that is, but we'll find out. Edu's a big cultural guy, so thanks to him for planning this. Looking forward to it. Let's have fun. Having breakfast now. JP's having a tough time. JP, thoughts? What are you feeling?
It's an acid reflux or whatever it's called. I can't eat, can't talk, can't do much.
Need to see it. JP's having a tough time right now with Madrid, with Barca's lost, and now that. Edu, where are we going?
We're going to Toledo.
What is that?
Toledo is a very historic city in Spain. It was a former capital, actually. It has a combination of 3 main cultures: Muslim, Christian, and Jewish.
Oh wow.
So
this guy
it
knows.
should be a very interesting place to walk around, eat some local Castilla-La Mancha food.
Nice.
I'm excited.
Get it. When you go on a trip with the boys and you can't handle it, absolutely going through it, hates his life. Any thoughts? I thought he was gonna meet his wife, have a good time. Absolutely destroyed. Edu, you look great, by the way.
I know, thank you.
So, as you can see, this is Toledo. The city was built when, Edu?
It's pre-Roman.
Pre-Roman. So you can see pre-Roman. They used to
Yeah.
play basketball as well.
Yeah,
Hey,
terrible.
right now.
Sorry, I don't want these vibes on my vlog.
On my vlog. We got the boys. Show the boys out. So yeah, we're gonna go up, do I don't know what, and then I don't know. What are we doing, bro?
We're gonna eat some food, see some mosques, see some cathedrals, see some synagogues.
Hopefully JP makes it.
Yeah. We'll see how many of those we can do, given the health of our comrade here.
You're walking the streets of Toledo. Pretty old, pretty cool place. Edu and I had 3 wines, a beer, and some nice tapas. So, you know, having a good time, culturizing ourselves. But
Hey, yeah.
Hey.
We're really learning a lot here. Barnola and I had some interesting tapas just now. Honestly,
Tapas.
can't even name you one of the things we had.
Jean Paul is dying back there,
Yeah.
but besides that, we're all good. So here's Toledo. Now we're going back home. So you can see, beautiful city.
2 hours.
Here are the boys. Down cataclysmic. Super sad. I'm happy though. Beautiful city. Recommended. Toledo, Spain. So that was it, my trip to Spain. We always talk about personal finance in this channel, but it's also important to have a balance and enjoy every now and then. So if you have the opportunity to do a trip like this with your friends, definitely take it. If you enjoyed this vlog, please drop a like. Let me know if you have any questions about Madrid, and remember to subscribe. Peace.